there was actually a rain when I arrived here. Yeah, I opened partially a little bit both of those. It's not good to sleep in a car like this, very small. Another thing is visible from outside. Even if I'm sleeping like this, yeah, the people can actually see me from outside. I used to sleep in Suzuki Jimny, but comfortable in Suzuki Jimny, not here in Kia Picanto. I've seen some people already. They are going to the beach. There is access to the beach on that side. Okay, it's time to get up. Yeah, I need to do this bed. It's not bed. Yeah, just this blanket. This is going to be my breakfast. This bagel. This dry already. This is my bath towel. Garbage. Okay, so the car is now back to normal. Okay, we're going to leave the van, the car over there. We're not going to the beach. Yeah, I'm going to have a breakfast, and yeah, we're going to go around the other campers. So there is one Toyota Hiace over there. There is this four-wheel drive. They're carrying this trailer truck. Nice. And it's the common area where there is where you can cook and eat, prepare food. There's a bathroom, toilet over there. Another area for camping. Yeah, some of these are looks like permanent, but yeah, mostly are travelers. The temperature is really cold. I want to stay sitting, eating under the sun. Being under the sun is good. You don't really feel the cold temperature. There's a restaurant here, but I don't know if they are having a breakfast. Yeah, it says welcome, open. We are going back to the car. Actually, we're going straight to the beach. Yeah, they have this kind of cabin. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. Yeah, this is the access to the beach. Yeah, I can see the water now. This is actually the 1 mile beach. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, I just came from my workplace. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. The time now is maybe 2:30. Yeah, and I'm very sleepy. but I need to buy food. I'm going to buy microwavable food. So I'm getting one of these. Yeah, buttered chicken. This is $3.39. Frozen. Also one of these. A chili con carne. $4.49. Frozen also. Yeah, also one of these hummus chips. And one of this sparkling water. Okay, we're back in the car, and yeah, I'm going out to the caravan park. I'm going to just stay there, sleep. Yeah, very tired. Not very tired because of work, but because last night, yeah, no good sleep. Yeah, there is always a sudden awakening, you know, sudden walk. Yeah, sudden awakening. No good sleep. Yeah, so I'm going to sleep first, and yeah, I'll see you later. The weather is actually not good. Yeah, it's been very windy since morning until now, and also there is rain. I set my time to wake up at 3 o'clock. I'm going to the gym and then going to work. My duty today is 6 o'clock. Yeah, this is really not a good idea to sleep in a very small car like this. I'm not going to do it again, especially in this kind of weather. It's rainy, windy. At the moment it is raining. My plan for staying here is actually to use the facility. Stay in the, public place of this facility. Yeah, but impossible because of the weather. Very cold outside, windy, noisy. Yeah, so I end up just here in... It's okay because today will be the last day. Yeah. Also this van, I'm going to return it to the... Yeah, rent a car later after work. So I have sleeping here in this car for 3 nights. All the same situation, no good. Yeah, but this is experience, I have an option to stay in my apartment, but I choose this just to experience, and it's not a good experience. That's why you should not be in a situation like this. You could be in a situation like this if it is how you want it. If you want to experience something like this, yeah, it should be not the last option. It should be not the only option if you are going to experience things like this. Yeah, see you later. I'm going to the gym now. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, so I got the car back. Yeah, and my camper van. Amazing. Yeah, and it's good. Already fixed. It looks like nothing happened. Yeah. Oh, where's the spoon? Pork. Yeah, looks like there's nothing happened, but yeah, it's a mess at the moment. Yeah, a lot of dust, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm cleaning it. Yeah, and I'm using these face wipes. I have a lot more here. For sure, this one is also dirty. I actually leave this blanket, and I can see that there are so many dust in here. You can see it's a white here. So I'm going to the laundry shop later, and we'll do my laundry. I actually have work tomorrow morning, breakfast, but I need to do the laundry first, because this is where I'm going to sleep tonight, so it must be clean. I'm sure in the warehouse they keep it open while they are working here, and so it becomes a very messy in here. And I don't know where is the microphone. Maybe it's gone forever. Yeah, if I buy that microphone, that will cost around that, yeah, over $200 actually.